This week in U.S. immigration news, we are going to cover USCIS updates policy to automatically extend green cards for naturalization applicants. Over 82,000 Ukrainian refugees paroled into U.S. DHS announces registration process for TPS for Ethiopia. Paths for migrants seeking asylum at the border. Effective December 12, 2022, USCIS is updating its policy manual to allow USCIS to automatically extend the validity of permanent resident cards for lawful permanent residents who have applied for naturalization. This update is expected to help naturalization applicants who experience longer processing times, because they will receive an extension of lawful permanent resident status and may not need to file Form I-90 application to replace permanent resident card. More than 82,000 Ukrainians and their family members that have been paroled into the U.S. under the Uniting for Ukraine program. Under the U4U process, Ukrainians can stay in the U.S. for at least 2 years. There have been about 7 million Ukrainians who have left their country due to the Russian invasion that began in February. USCIS has announced that there are over 177,000 individuals who have offered financial support for U4U. The Department of Homeland Security has announced how to register for temporary protected status for Ethiopia. In October, Secretary of Homeland Security Alejandro N. Mayorkas announced the 18-month designation of Ethiopia for TPS. The registration will begin on December 12, 2022, and all individuals that wish to receive TPS under the Ethiopia designation must file an application. To be eligible for this designation, individuals must demonstrate their continuous residence in the U.S. since October 20, 2022 and have continuous physical presence in the U.S. since December 12, 2022. Those arriving in the U.S. after October 20, 2022 are not eligible for this designation and may be subject to removal if they have no other authorization to be in the U.S. The Biden administration is considering new plans to decrease the number of migrants at the border who would qualify for asylum while creating different pathways for some people to apply for asylum from their home countries. The administration is considering creating new programs for Haitians, Nicaraguans, and Cubans to apply for humanitarian parole while they stay in their home countries. This would be a similar program to the one the administration recently created for Venezuelans. The Department of Homeland Security is also planning new training for asylum officers who conduct interviews of migrants crossing the border.
Friends, show us some love and smash the like button. It doesn't cost you anything. If you have an immigration problem or need a second opinion because you cannot get a hold of your own lawyer, schedule a meeting with our team. Share information with our CARES team and they will help you get scheduled with our legal team. Now here's a secret code to unlock the free 15 minutes.